Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a BOXYCHARM unboxing. So this is actually my Boxy Premium. I did get on the BOXYCHARM Premium list for this month. I signed up for it like the day that you could, and I was put on a wait list, and they ran my card at the beginning of December, so I came off the list in December, which is exciting. Also, welcome to Vlogmas, by the way. I hope you're settling into like the Christmas spirit. I feel like I am almost there. We're getting there. I'm doing some Christmas shopping later this week, so that'll be good. So I haven't gotten my regular box yet. I've just gotten my premium box, which my regular box was supposed to be delivered like last week. But I got like a notification that it was being delayed. I don't really know why, and this one got here early. So I thought we'd unbox this one today and do the next one when it comes. I did get this a few days ago, so I have already jumped into here. I've used some of the products, so I have some initial thoughts to share with you. But I am pretty excited for my box. I'm not gonna lie, when I started seeing people start to unbox their premium boxes, I was a little worried about what I was gonna get, because I was seeing some stuff that I was not interested in, and I love mine. So let's just jump in. I did get 3 skincare products as well as 3 makeup products, which is great. I love getting skincare in BOXYCHARM, especially because it's usually really great quality. Which, speaking of, the first skincare item is a very expensive moisturizer. This is from Avant, and it's the Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Antioxidizing, I think that's how you say that, Duo Moisturizer. This retails for $134, which is crazy. I don't, it just came in this, it didn't come in a box, and I feel like there's not really a description on here as to what it is or what it does or anything about it. On here it just says apply in the morning and evening after cleansing and applying your serum, just like a moisturizer. On the card, which the theme this month is whimsy, kind of cute, but on the card it says Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream is a delightful anti-aging moisturizer for face and targeted eye area formulated with hyaluronic acid to deeply nourish your skin. It also combines signature ingredients to improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and a weakened skin surface. So it sounds like a great moisturizer. The only thing is that on the card it says it's a night moisturizer, and on the bottle it says morning and night. So I don't know, I might go on to their website and try and do a little bit more research, get some more thoughts. But this is 1.69 fluid ounces, and like I said, it's $134, which is extremely expensive. But I used it once at night, and I didn't really notice any difference yet because it was one time, but I am excited to continue using it. Next, I got another moisturizer, which it was kind of a bummer to get 2 moisturizers, and the pick for my BOXYCHARM regular that we, like, where you get to choose one, I chose a moisturizer. So I'm getting 3 moisturizers this month, which is a lot, but I'm probably just gonna like save one and use the other ones, which I was kind of low on moisturizers anyways, so it's not the end of the world. But this is from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I was so excited to get this. When this first started getting popular, I feel like maybe like a year and a half ago or so, I wanted it really bad because it is, like, this line is geared towards like oily and combination skin. And I just loved like the packaging. It just looked so cute. I love the like milky pinkness of this moisturizer, but it's like a gel moisturizer, so it's light. But I am so excited for this. There's 2.03 fluid ounces in this one, and it retails for $39. So a little bit less expensive than the last one, which is great. So I'm excited for it. And the last skincare item I got, I don't know if you could necessarily call this skincare. I feel like it's skincare. This is from Bite Beauty, and it's the Nighttime Lip Therapy. This was another thing that when I opened the box, I was really excited to get. I've tried this once before as like a Sephora sample, and I really enjoyed it, so I was super happy to get this. It comes in this little pot here, which is really nice. It's like a frosted plastic bottom. The top feels really nice, and then you open it and you have this little like seal on it, but you also have this little like scoop that you can use in the product. So I did use this the other night. It was really great. I woke up, like, it is like a very thick lip product. So I was a little nervous because I haven't used it for like years, and so I used the little scoop to like scoop some out and put it on my lips, and I think I might have used just a touch too much. Like, you just need like a tiny bit of this stuff. But I was a little nervous because it's kind of sticky, and I was nervous that I was gonna like wake up with like dog fur all over my lips, or like my hair just kind of like coated. And I definitely woke up in the middle of the night like consciously thinking about like my lips being really sticky, and they weren't super sticky. They were just like a little, it felt like I had a lip balm on, so it wasn't bad. But there is like definitely, it sticks around for a while, but really nice results. So another one, just really excited about this. And this retails for $22. Now let's move on to some makeup, because these ones I was also excited about. The least exciting is probably this. This is from Kat Von D, and it's the Cake Pencil, and it's just like a black eye pencil. I have not used this yet. It's just like a retractable pencil liner, which I guess if you're gonna get like a pencil liner from BOXYCHARM, at least it's like a high-end brand. I don't know. You have the pencil on one side, nice little retractable feature, and then on the other side it does look like you have a sharpener. Oh, nope, psych, just the bottom comes off. Some retractable liners have like a little sharpener on the end, like you can pull it off and it's like a little sharpener. This is not. It's just the end of the product. This retails for $19. It's kind of like one of those give and take items. I actually just decluttered a bunch of eyeliners, and so this isn't like the end of the world that I got this, but it's not like exciting. I did get a highlight. This is from Ciate. I feel like I've gotten quite a few of their products in BOXYCHARM and have enjoyed a lot of them. This is the Confetti Highlighter, and I don't really know if there's like a shade on this. It says Warm Glow Highlighter, so I don't know if there's like different shades of this or if it's all just like a one shade for everyone kind of a thing. But the packaging on this is super cute. It's like a mirrored little compact. Just says Ciate London on the front, and then on the back there is a sticker that says Confetti Highlight. Oh, it says it's in the shade Confetti. Maybe? I don't really know. It's kind of a cool highlighter. I get why they got the Confetti name. It looks like confetti, and there's like different tones. There's like a silver tone, there's like a goldie, a bronze, and it's pretty. I'm wearing it today. I was a little nervous that it was gonna be too dark, so like here it is swatched on the back of my hand, which it is kind of dark and like golden, but like I said, I'm wearing it today over like a nude blush, and I feel like it's not too much, like it's not too dark. I do have to go in with a little bit of a light hand, but pretty. I'm excited to try it. I've been definitely liking more of like a golden highlight of late, and so this was a good one. And this retails for $32. I am interested in the description on this. It says, achieve a sun-kissed glow with Ciate London's Confetti Highlighter, featuring a mix of shades that have been carefully pressed together for a radiant highlight in one sweep. So I guess it is supposed to be like a bronzed glow kind of a thing, so I see where they're coming from, but I don't know if it would be like my go-to choice for a highlight color, but I'll definitely use it. And then the last thing is something I'm pretty excited about. This is from Natasha Denona, and it's the Cranberry palette. I did try this on my eyes today, so that's what I'm wearing on my eyes. I think this is a really pretty palette. It's definitely very like a now palette. Like I feel like it's pretty seasonal to this time of year. Really cute packaging. I do like these smaller palettes. This isn't like the mini palette, but like just one of their smaller palettes. This retails for $48, which is a lot. There's 5 shades in here, and they are pretty. Again, I feel like it's a really great like holiday palette. You've got like reds and burgundies and shimmers. Today I'm wearing this shade all over my lid, and then I'm wearing this kind of like pinky cranberry color in the crease, and then this more burgundy color in the outer corner, and I did touch a little smidge of this pinky shimmer on the outer edge of my eye, and I do enjoy the look I got, but I do definitely feel like it's kind of like a one look kind of a thing. I do really enjoy this color though. It's called Nude. I love colors like this where it's like a nude shimmery color. I think it's really pretty. The only one I didn't use was this middle one, which is called Botanic. I'm gonna swatch that. Whoa, that one's super soft. These shadows definitely didn't perform like I thought. Like, I feel like they weren't as like creamy as I thought they were gonna be, and like I was expecting a little bit more punch from the shimmers. But again, this was first impressions. I just tried it once, and I do think it's nice. Like, it blended out well, it was good. I think I was expecting a little bit more, which I feel like is probably the case with so many people when they try such a high-end brand for the first time, because I've never tried anything from Natasha Denona before. But again, super fun to get in BOXYCHARM. So that was my premium box for the month of December. I think this was really great. For $35, I literally got so much stuff. 6 products, the watermelon moisturizer, the like expensive moisturizer, the Bite lip treatment, the Natasha Denona palette, the confetti highlighter from Ciate, and then the Kat Von D eyeliner. This is like the one thing that I'm not super psyched for, but everything else I like. So that was my box. Thanks for joining me. I'd love to hear, did you get a BOXYCHARM this month? Did you get the premium? Are you interested in the premium? I will be doing my Boxy regular unboxing as soon as I get it. I think it might get here today, so that video might go up tomorrow. We'll see. But I was gonna do like a comparison. I know they're different prices. Premium's $35. The regular one is now $25. So I know there's definitely like a price difference, but like, is premium worth it? More than just the regular box. This was my first month of premium, so I'm still like experiencing my feelings a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or if I'm gonna keep it for very long, but I'd love to hear your thoughts below. Are you a BOXYCHARM subscriber? I love BOXYCHARM. I think it's such a great subscription. No matter what, even if you get products that like aren't super your favorite, it's just cool to try different things every month for such an inexpensive price. But that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys.